So I'm going to be installing a Faber ABR1 conversion kit on this 1959 Epiphone Les Paul. These are the new models. This is the ABR59 bridge. It has no wire on the bridge to be kind of authentic, supposedly with A59s. This is the old bushing, the Nashville style bushing. And then this basically turns it into a post style bushing that goes into the existing holes. It comes with these kind of posts that go in there. I already put the one in on this side so you can see it there, and have to remove this other one. I already did the first one. So you take the bolt, I'm sorry, that is just the old bushing showing the difference between the two. So what I need to do is remove the bushing from it, and this is the difference between the two bridges. That's the original Epiphone one. You see the holes there for mounting are bigger than the Faber ABR1 bridge. So it goes on, that's how it works on the existing bushing. It goes on the post like that, and it locks in. See, it won't fit on the current one because the holes are too small, so that's why the posts that go into the body will fit on this one. So when you mount it, you got to put the wheel on the thumb wheel, which helps adjust the height. So here I'm screwing on the wheel. Then you mount it up. And this is the bolt that you have to use that comes with the kit to get out the existing bushing. So you just kind of screw it in there. Then you use a socket wrench, or you can use a regular wrench, but socket's probably easier. So you see you screw it in there. And then I'm trying to find my socket wrench here to remove it. Just trying to find it. It's always those sockets that you always misplace. So there we go, found it finally. So you just kind of, just screw it in, and you see it starts lifting up the bushing. So you just pull it out. It's pretty easy to do. Then you get the new one. It comes with a little metal spacer that goes over the post so you can hammer it in without messing up the top post. So just kind of set it in there, make sure it's straight, get that bushing, put it on it, get like a rubber mallet, probably the best to use instead of a metal one, just in case, so it doesn't mess anything up or scratch it. Get a rubber mallet, start whacking away. So you just kind of continue whacking away on it until it's flush with the body. So that looks flush, I believe. Then you put the thumb wheel on. Oops, there it goes. Screw it on. I really should have put the camera on the other angle, but oh well, too late. So then you just kind of snap this on. zoom in a little bit. It's a little better view. It's a pretty easy job. You know, I was kind of worried about hammering into the body of the guitar, but the bushings went in easy. It's simple. No harm, no foul in it. Then I also replaced the the tailpiece, with a Gotoh tailpiece, which is an aluminum one. The stock Epiphone one is metal and weighs about 78 grams, and the Gotoh one's about 28 grams, so it's a lot lighter, aluminum. I think all in all, between the tailpiece and the bridge, it was $120 or something, I think. The posts and the bridge were like 120. Yeah, I think 120. And the tailpiece was around 30 something. So I guess that's like $150 total. But I think it's worth it. Sounds a little better, a little more solid. You know, the posts go directly into the body, not being, using a bushing that kind of moves within the post. But that's it.